Yo, what's going on YouTube? DivineMods here, and here is a quick tutorial for you if you wanted to create a mod tool as people are doing now. Now I haven't seen the tutorial, so that's why I'm making one. What you can do is click Windows Form Application, just to open it, and then you want to add a button. Now this button, you can just create it as anything. I'm going to call it God Mode. And this can be for COD 4, Modern Warfare 2 if you know the codes for it. So I'm just going to add a text box here. And you want to click multi-line if you want a big box. So you add that there, and then drag it across. Now double click on that, and then it should bring you to this code. Do not worry, just click text box 1.text, and this will make the text inside of the text box. When you click on this button, it'll bring it up. So I could say text box 1 equals, you must put in quotations the code in here, so I'm going to put find button back go. So you want to click there, Control V, and there you go. Now that should work. We want to test it though, don't we? So you can just click play, or what I think it's called play, and then boom, it comes up there. So now we know that it's worked. So now what you want to do is go back into the code, and then you want to go to form1.vb design again, and you want to go scroll down to menu strip, drag menu strip to there, and type in their file mw2, and if you wanted another one, Black Ops. You're going to click File, 2, and there you go. Now, what we're going to do is click File, MW2, and then it'll bring up this. We're not going to be needing this, we're going to have to create a new Windows form. So you're going to click Windows form, which is right there. I'm going to call it mw2.vb, and then add, and then it'll bring up this. You can just make it as large as you like. I'm just going to do it quick, and then you want to add a button there, and add a text box there. Now if you don't have to use a button, you can just use, well, you can use the button because you want to, if you're not used to Visual Basic, use the button. But what I'm going to call it is God. Let's just call it God. I don't know the code for God Mode, so I'm just going to double click on it and click text box 1.text equals, and then brings up quotations God. Now this should work. You want to test it though, as usual, but we can't test it yet, otherwise it will not work. So we're going to go to form1.vb and click mw2.vb. Now mw2 and n. You want to click dot, and you want to choose one of these. So you want to click all you have to do is look in here and it shows you everything you do with it. So you're going to choose bottom. Show. You're going to double click it, and then it should show up. So what you're going to do to test it is click play. I'm sorry about that, guys, but so, and then this should bring up, and then should boom. And then to test it, it'll just bring up the God, which you put in the text box. So yeah, this is just a quick tutorial on how to make it. And this one's for COD 4. You can name it whatever you like. If you wanted to, you could name it, just close that. If you wanted to name it something, you can just add a label. Anyway, I'm gonna put mine in there, and you're gonna change it. Change the font to. Wait for this to load. It does sometimes do. Change it to bold and get that to here. Could do that. Don't actually don't do it. I'm gonna do mine as that AR Delaney and do the text about 16 and then click OK. So make sure to do that. That'll bring up the text, but you want to go back to the design, scroll down, and it should show card 4. There we go. Shaboom, it's bringing up card 4. Now you can add whatever code you like. I've got mine from this mod tool, and this is the one that inspired me to do it like this. But basically it's just quick. All you have to do is click the God mode and it should show up. If you wanted to add a background to your text, your button, you can change it to button 1 dot back color equals, and then it brings up a load of colours. So I'm gonna change mine to orange. Double click orange. And there you go. Now we want to test it, so you click play. Should load up and that'll go orange. So I think that's pretty cool. And there we are. So you've got this file bar. And thanks for watching YouTube. This was just a little tutorial. Hope you liked it. You can do whatever you like. If you want more tutorials on how to create these mod tools, please subscribe, comment, rate, and peace.